In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Spotify link to your Instagram bio. If you've ever wanted to share your favorite track or playlist directly from Spotify to Instagram, you're in the right place. Let's dive in so you can get that tune out to your followers in just a few moments. First up, you need to head over to Spotify. You can do this on your computer or mobile device, whichever you find more convenient. Once there, browse through your library or search for that special track or playlist you want to share. Take your time to find a song that truly represents your vibe or the mood you want to convey to your audience. After you've selected your song, look for the three little dots. These are typically located next to the song title or at the top of the playlist page. These dots are your gateway to sharing options, so go ahead and click on them. A drop-down menu should appear, giving you various options. From this menu, locate and click on the Share button. This opens up a new set of options focused on sharing your song. What you want to do here is click on Copy Song Link or Copy Link to save the URL of the song or playlist directly to your clipboard. With this step completed, you're halfway there. Now it's time to switch over to Instagram. Open the Instagram app and direct yourself to your profile page. You'll see a button labeled Edit Profile. This is where you can make changes to the information that appears on your profile, including your bio section, which is exactly where we're heading. In the profile editing section, you'll notice a field labeled Website. Here is where you'll paste the Spotify link you just copied. This field is typically used to include any external link you want to share with your followers, like a blog or, in our case, a favorite song. Simply long press and select Paste, and your link will appear in the website field. Finally, it's worth mentioning that completing this process from a mobile device tends to be the most seamless way to achieve this. Instagram's mobile app is optimized for such tasks, making it easier and more intuitive to update your profile on the go. So, if you're initially tempted to do this from a desktop, consider saving just a few seconds by using your smartphone instead. And there you have it. You've successfully added your Spotify link to your Instagram bio, allowing your followers to easily click and listen to what you're currently vibing to. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope you enjoy sharing your music with the world.